Steve, EMO 2019, we're in the centre, the heart of the hall. Who has a hall apart from DMG MORI with the machines? Now, we've got automation, you've got additive manufacturing, digitisation, the aerospace big markets. But now, as I understand, Europe, from an automotive point of view, is suffering a little bit. But I want to talk about the UK market. How's it been now? And leading up to MAC 2020, what's your vision?
I don't think we should run away with the idea that the UK market's doing fabulous, but it is holding its own. And UK manufacturing in certain pockets are doing very, very well. And we're doing very well because of that as well. So we've had a good year to date. And I think machine tools and capital equipment is really the headline of where the economy is heading. And as I say, we're doing okay. There is a bit of fog ahead. We're not sure really what's going to happen from the economic circumstances. But the reality is customers are carrying on and investing. And these investments are not for 2 or 3 months. They're for the next 10, 15, 20 years.
And do you think the variety of machine tools that you actually offer, is there anything specific that people are buying more of?
Well, automation is being really looked at very, very carefully by a lot of customers, but we have such a wide portfolio and we service so many different customers. One customer may want a simple 2-axis, 3-axis machine, another customer want a multi-axis machine or linked machines. So we have the facility to do just about anything and everything.
And when you look at the customers that are actually investing, is it high-level customers or subcontracting companies, or is it a bit of a mix?
It's a real mix, Mark, because we've had about 3 or 4 startups this year, which is really, really fresh. That's great. We've got the OEM companies. I would suggest something like around about 70 to 75% of our business comes from the subcontracts. So that's the major supply chain.
And 2 major things ahead of you. You've got your open house 15th to the 18th of October, but MAC 2020, I know it's a little bit of a way from us and we don't really know what's going to happen 31st of October, but do you see a very positive market still?
Yes, absolutely positive. We've got our open house, as you say, in a few weeks' time. That will take us through to the end of the year. We then have a major show in Fronton, which is the factory that you went to last week to look at the manufacturing facilities there. Then we move on to MAC, we move on to Q1. We're rolling, we continue roll, and I'm very positive about it, and we have to remain so. You know, sometimes there are pockets that downturn, but there are other pockets that pop up and come up very positive. We need to support them.
And I see that the theme's changing a little bit, isn't it? You know, less machines here, more automation, and that's going to be replicated in the UK at your open house, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got some big machines there, horizontal machines with multi-pallet systems, smaller 5-axis verticals with multi-pallets, robots on lathes. So again, very much the automation and the digitisation, which is going to help customers for the future in collecting data, distributing data, and making that data give them really lean, efficient operations.
Well, exciting times ahead for you, Steve. Thanks very much for your time here at EMO 2019.
Mark, thank you very much. Good luck.